Hey guys, welcome back to On Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a very quick video. Today I'm just showing you guys how to get the PS4 button prompts for playing Stray. Simple, right? I'll simply copy this. I will leave this link in the description for you guys to download this little folder here, DualShock mod. We'll simply go to wherever we have Stray installed. You're going to HK Project, Content, Packs, and you're simply going to hit paste. That's it. Now with that, you will have the DS4, well, basically the PS4 button prompt. So we're gonna click on it now and we're gonna launch it, and when it comes on, you're gonna see the PS4 prompts. Simple as that. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I don't think I could have made that any simpler, guys. I'll see you guys next time, but I will let you see the prompts before I end the video. And here they are, the button prompts. We got PS4 button prompts, so it's basically the same thing now. We can't go wrong. And there we go. I'm a cat today. I'll see you guys next time.